You can see how baked on the material is on the side of the chain, and how difficult it is to get that chromium cutter cleaned, and why we're having to spend so much money, and why this is a 4-part process. Not a lot of foaming going on here, but as you can see, looks like the solution is already starting to take off some of the organic material. Looks like the material floating on the surface is mostly a wood fiber, and maybe some oil solution that's slicking. We're starting to see a little bit of a foaming action on the surface, and again, we pull the chains out, and boy, it looks like whatever that stuff is, it's really starting to attack the organics, and looks like the stuff's just starting to fall off. We're starting to see more and more foam come off the top. I'm going to pull the chains out now, and ooh, there's even foam starting on the chains now on the surface. And what I'm observing is different is you know, almost all the material is gone off the chain. The stuff that was baked on the side of the chain is almost completely gone. It's pretty amazing. This process seemed to work exceptionally well from a removal standpoint. There we go, right off the wash rack. We didn't even run these in the ultrasound, and we didn't put them in the blaster, so we skipped 2 entire processes here. The chains came out absolutely spotless. I mean, no material, no grease, no nothing. And what's interesting too is that there's no rust. We're not getting any flash rust. I got them right next to a set of chains that come out of our normal process, and you see a little bitty tiny bit of flash rust there left from the sodium hydroxide. So you're really onto something here. We need to talk more about what you've done to eliminate the rust. The chains are now in the grinding cell. You can see them spread out here a little bit better, and it's interesting to look at the chains and how clean they are, and absolutely no rust. They've been outside now in the dry rack for about 2 hours, and there is no accumulation of flash rust anywhere. I've got you in the lab now, and I'm going to take you through a quick chain grind. What we're looking for, we're looking to make sure that we don't have any wheel loading here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine on and start the grind cycle. And what I'm really impressed with, gentlemen, is we're not getting any loading on the wheels, and this is exactly what we want. This is a fantastic result, and I'll back off here so you can see. This is a fantastic result. I think we're on to something, and I really appreciate it, gentlemen.